back. My name's Caleb with binaryPBX, and today we are finally going to be doing the range test video on the Sangoma D10M decked cordless phone. So we recently moved into a new space in downtown Scranton, Pennsylvania. It's a very noisy RF environment around here, and all the buildings are made of brick. So how we're going to be doing this test is we're going to be heading outside, and for each distance, we're just going to be calling Lenny. If you haven't heard of Lenny, he is a automated robot that likes to keep telemarketers on the phone for a ridiculously long amount of time. Sooner or later, we'll do a video on Lenny and how to install him on your free PBX server. So let's head outside and get started. So now we're right outside. You can see the second story window, and we have full bars. Just give Lenny a test call.
Hello,
So let's move a little farther away. So now we're about 6 buildings down. We're down to 1 bar. And let's try moving a little closer. So we move forward 1 more building, so now we're only about 5 buildings down. Let's give Lenny a call. And call dropped. Let's try it 1 more time. Okay, let's move back another building. Now if you look down there, you can see the chain link fence, the back of our building. And now we have Lenny. So now we're back in the office. The base station is located right through that door there. And of course, we do have 5 bars and can call Lenny. So while this might not work through buildings and through big walls, it certainly will be enough for your office. In total, it ended up being about 150 feet away from the base station through 5 brick buildings, each with at least 2 walls. So it made it through about 10 brick walls in a very noisy environment. Overall, it is a great phone for short distance and maybe even better for warehouses, but definitely not for going through brick buildings in a downtown city. If you are interested in this phone, give us a call. It's 888-338-4212, or you can email us. It's hello@binarypbx.com. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have on this. Thank you and have a good day.